I'm Mike.
And I'm Kim.
And we are MK Inspired.
That's us.
That's us. Today we are going on a Creole nature trail. It's one of those that you drive it and you put it on your car speaker. So we downloaded this and we're going to show you some of the highlights. Have a great day. Louisiana is the Pelican State and it's covered by bayous and marshes. Bayous have a little bit more brackish water and they are always moving and they have so much wildlife. Alligators, for instance, which can live up to 50 years old, and they have so many more alligators here than Florida. Take that, Florida!
To civilian, to military vessels, they all cross through here. This intracoastal waterway is part of the former Louisiana-Texas intracoastal waterway, which dates all the way back to...
We are out here on the marshland in Louisiana, the Pelican State, and we are birding. There are over 300 species of birds throughout Louisiana. It's a great migratory area for birds and wildlife. There is so much biodiversity. It is one of the most biodiverse areas on the continent. Suddenly we fell into the Gulf of America. Wow, just wow. So awesome. God is so amazing.